I'm discussing about that how to add the YouTube plugin. When anybody click the subscribe, automatically subscribe happen with your bloggers. Here, I'm adding with over the plugin for Facebook. The reason is if anybody click the like will be accepted when Facebook page will be login. Same like that, when login your Gmail, automatically click for subscribe option. So first of all, select ID here. Just this is my website developers.google.com/youtube underscore subscribe underscore button. First of all, here asking for two. One is the channel name or ID. So I'm entering for ID here. See this one. Now layout full is done. What my website name is? My YouTube channel Rakesh Solutions. Theme dark. Now subscribe count hide or show. Again show will be my subscribe count also. So clear? First I'm adding with the YouTube channel ID layout option default without name full with a name theme default without highlight with the highlight. Is it clear? Now after that paste the code, copy the code, go to blogger dashboard, layout, sidebar, right one, add a gadgets, click for HTML by JavaScript, add your title name is called YouTube, go to content part, paste the code, click for save. After that, save arrangement. Now, here, just look in this right corner. Any YouTube icon is there? No. Now refresh. See here. This is my icon. If anyone come into this option, now click here. They go to where? My YouTube channel. So always you can click by subscribe option. This is called you can add by the YouTube plugin for your bloggers.